so customer can scan the QR code and view the menu instantly on their phone. First of all, open a browser and search free QR code generator. To generate QR code for restaurant menu, we will use qr-code-generate.com. Here you will see lots of options. Click on PDF. Now click on sign up for free. Now I will sign up with Google account. Click on that. In the top right corner, here is create QR code. Click on that. Here is lots of options to create QR code. Select PDF and then click on next. If your restaurant menu image in JPG or PNG format, you can convert it PDF using JPG to PDF converter online tool like I love PDF. Click on upload PDF and select your restaurant menu PDF and then click open. Once upload done, you will see a preview in the right hand side. Then click on next. Now here is the customization part. If you want some customization, you can do from here, like add a frame in the QR code. If you have your restaurant logo, you can upload. Click on upload and select the logo. The logo will appear in the once all customization done. Click on download. That's how you can create a QR code for your restaurant menu. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.